There's your favorite fidget spinner.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna return that. Let's go back to the store. It's gonna be hard, yeah? This is gonna be a hard day.
Oh, I just fall down.
Cool, you just fall down. Good. You throw a ball down, you throw a fidget spinner, you fall down. That's the rules. Okay. I'm gonna go to the store and return the fidget spinner. Okay, bye. No peeking, okay? Bye. Have fun. I'm gonna return it. Wait a second. Let me go return it to the store. I think it will be very nice because there'll be someone there. So returning. Hello. Would you like to return something? Yeah. My sister threw a fidget spinner down the bed right there. Hey. She stopped me. And here's the fidget spinner back. Okay, thank you. Let's put it back. Let's go put it back in the returners. Done. Okay. Bye. Bye. Let's go. Let's return it.
Why did we turn it? Then,
Hey.
but I will return it.
Recheck. Okay. So, thanks for watching this video, guys, and hope you like it. Kaya, don't you dare go up there and throw this down. Okay. Don't you dare. Footage from the upslide. It's like this. See that fidget spinner? That's gonna be in my hand. Bye. Thanks guys for watching this video. Bye.
Bye.